Hello, you're welcome once again. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record your course. Okay, so that's the focus of this video, and of course how to do that using your laptop. So in the previous video I showed you how to use your smartphone for those who do not have a laptop, but if you have a laptop, nice, it will actually make the work easy for you. Okay, of course easier. All right, so you need to go to your browser on your laptop, maybe Google Chrome or any other browser you use, Firefox, and download OBS Studio. This is what I use, OBS Studio. Can you see it? I'm moving it around now. Okay, it's absolutely free. In fact, it's one of the best software I've seen online that is free. One of the best free software. You don't have to pay anything. So once you download it, the next thing you need to do is to install it. All right, now the explanation I'm going to be doing using this software is limited because how to use OBS Studio is another entire training you need to go through. All right, so you can look for videos on YouTube on how to use the OBS Studio, different setups and all of that, but I'm just going to be showing you how I use it to record my course. So once you download it, the next thing is to open it. Okay, you need to open it. So you open it right here after installing it, and then you have this right here. So you're going to have this interface. Now your interface may not look exactly like mine, all right, because I've been using this for quite some time. So maybe you may have to, properly arrange it and all of that. But usually you have this screen in front here. Okay, now you cannot see my face because I had to shut off my camera because I want you to focus on my screen, what I'm showing you. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to turn on your camera and everything. Okay, and now look at this. If you look at this, we have video capture device. Okay, video capture. So just go through and look at all of the features that you can use. All right, now if you look at this video capture here, you see that the eyeball icon here is crossed because I had to shut it off. That's how to shut off your camera. Okay, but let me just turn it on and then I'll turn it off again so that you can focus on my screen. So I'm going to click here now. So can you see this now? Can you see me? Yes, this is how it actually works. Now it's displaying here on my screen and you can see my face. All right, so once you have this on, all you simply need to do is, let me close this right now. Okay, my face is still showing so you can see what I'm doing. Now what you need to do is come down here. Remember, this is our file, how to start a barbing salon business. So open your PowerPoint presentation slide. Okay, so once you open it, the next thing you want to do is come back to your OBS Studio. Now can you see this place where you have stop recording? You are going to have start recording right there. It's because I'm using this to record, that's why you are seeing stop recording there. It's still on. Okay, so you click on start recording here. Make sure your screen, your camera is on, because except you don't want to show your face when you are doing your video. Okay, if you don't want to show your face, that is fine. All right, but I'm just doing this so that you can see what I'm doing. All right, so click on start recording. The moment you do that, then you come to your PowerPoint presentation and click on slide show. Boom. So this is it. This is how it actually works. All right, how to start a barbing salon business. So let's move on to the next. That is it. So you just start talking into the camera, but ensure that you are facing the camera because you are talking to people. All right, you don't want to make it seem like you are looking elsewhere or you are talking to somebody else. Look at the camera straight so that the people can actually have, or the person, because there is a way I do my recordings. I ensure that I speak to one person per time. I know that you want millions of people to watch your course. That's nice. But the truth is that there's a high tendency that you have in most cases, one person just watching your course. Maybe you are just alone where you are watching this course right now. So instead of saying, hello guys, no, I think that's wrong. All right, because imagine that you are the only person in the room and I'm saying hello guys. How many persons are there? Okay, so instead of saying hello guys, usually I just say hello, you're welcome to this master class. And usually I like to address people by first person pronoun. Okay, I like to address people you, not you guys or you people. Okay, so look straight into the camera so that your eyeballs can connect to the eyeballs of the listener. All right, and usually if you have followed my masterclass on YouTube, I make this statement whenever I start my video. Don't see this as a formal masterclass like you always attend, or like this is a discussion between me and you. Did you know that you can start a barbing salon business? Did you know that a barbing salon business can make you a millionaire? So you see, you're talking to the person one on one. This is a mistake again right here. Auto correction, or suggestion rather. All right, so you see, speak to the camera and speak to the people directly. Okay, and of course, you need to have a little force in your voice. Don't shout, but at least speak passionately. Except what you are teaching, you don't mean it. Except what you are teaching, you have not gotten result from it. So they will easily notice when you have not gotten any results. Okay, I can speak like it because I'm confident. Yes, you need to learn it. That's true. But again, if you have gotten result, why not? Except you are just teaching theories that you don't know anything about. Okay, so look to the camera straight and then keep doing your thing like that. You may not get it perfectly the first time, but then as you keep doing it over and over, you definitely get it perfectly. So this is how to record your slides. Now take note, you notice that my camera may cut off some of the write-up. So you need to measure the location, the position of your camera from your OBS studio, so that you do not write and cross that line. Okay, because you want people to see your screen and see what you are writing. All right, so please measure it, and once you are done, the next thing is end your slide. To end your slideshow, right click and then click on end show. Then come back to OBS. The next thing you want to do now on OBS is click on stop recording. Can you see this now? Stop recording. Once you click on that, immediately it will stop. All right, then you cannot actually use your file like this because OBS records using, I think, MKV. You need to convert it to MP4 because it is your MP4 file that you can use. So to do that, once you stop recording, come to file here, click on file. All right, you see show recordings. It's going to show you the recordings you've done. So these are the recordings I've done so far. Okay, so you cannot use this directly. It's on MKV. Can you see this now? MKV file. So you have to close this. You can't use it directly. So click on file again. Come to Remuse Recordings. So click on it. Then click on this ellipsis icon here. These three dots here. Click on it. Then select the file that you want to remix, the one you want to convert to MP4. So let me convert this particular file now. Okay, you see this file right here. So I want to convert this file right here. So I'm going to select it. It's on MKV. Select it. Then if you want to easily access it, you can rename it. Okay, you can rename it, but I don't want to rename it. So select this now. Let me rename it so that it is easy to identify. Let me just rename it to barbing course. Let me rename it to barbing course. So I'm going to select it now, barbing course. You see that another one will be created. So I'm going to just open. Now click on Remuse. It will load. After a while, then you're done. Okay, so click on this. Okay, right here. All right, so now you can close this. Then come to file again. Go to show recordings. You notice that barbing has changed to MP4. So this is barbing course MKV. Come here now. You see barbing course MP4. Do you see it now? MP4 154 MB, 36 minutes 4 seconds. Here again, 36 minutes 4 seconds. This is it. So it is this file that you can actually use. All right, now I want to play this video right now, so let me turn off my camera. All right, so I've shut off my camera right now. So take note, around this place now, This was where my camera was displayed. It's no longer there. So if you don't want to show your face, you can shut off your camera and then just focus. All right, maybe when you are starting and you don't have that courage yet to face the camera, please shut it off. So let me play that video that I just converted. Okay, so go to show recordings, then you have it right there. So I'm just going to play the video. It's one of the videos that I actually recorded for this course. So let me open it. Okay. Hello, welcome to the Sell Your Knowledge Masterclass course. My name is Lucky Johnson and I am going to be showing you step by step everything from one point to the other. Speak, you can talk, but then take a leap of faith and just buy the course. Let me even see what's good for nothing. All right, so this is how it works. So you can play it. Once you are satisfied with what you recorded, then you are good to go. Okay, so I'm going to stop recording right here so that we can go to the next video.